What is up? It's your boy AJ, and today we're playing Rainy Attic Room. So one of my friends suggested this game to me. They said they played it through and it was really good. And they said that it would probably make me some good content and that I would really enjoy the game. So I figured, you know what, might as well check it out. Let's talk to this dude. Awkward first meeting. The first try to talk. Continue to do so. Should I do something? They are rubbing their hands. Where? Cough. I have something to say. Damn. All that's expensive. You're never getting food, little buddy. What's that? What's that? The water leaking in the wall stained it. It doesn't look so good. What is that? Why? Why? My? The first touch of a cat. Today's proverb, all roads lead to Rome. It means there aren't many ways. Oh, okay. What's this? I do like this music. This music is pretty calming. Oh, we can fix his leaky wallpaper. We could totally do that for him. Radio. Doesn't do much. So I just saw this where you can name him. And I'm gonna name him Smokey because he reminds me of a depressed chain smoker. Is Smokey? Smokey, it's okay. You can't change it. Yes. Smokey. Now we have Smokey. Meet our little buddy, Smokey. We got another talk back. Hi. Oh, nice. Alright, it's a whole new day, and we're visiting Rainy Attic Room again. Today's sentence, it's good to drink warm milk. Yeah, I guess. They are closing their eyes. Who is? They heard a small sound of coughing. They are looking at the dust on the floor. Whoa. We're getting a cutscene. This animation is nice. The animation style is pretty nice. I see. What time is it now? I don't know. I can barely keep track of time myself, so I don't feel bad. Hey, I just found the spider. What's this? Awkward conversations will a day come when they become comfortable. Can we fix Buddy's wallpaper yet? You have so many spiders in your house, man. We're almost at the old rug. We are almost able to fix the old rug. Alright, so I found these little boxes. Let's clean them up. Well begun is half done. Clean up a box. Nice. We're getting more achievements. Did that put it in here? No. No, it did not. What can I do with white paper? Draw. What can I do with white paper? Oh, we have to achieve level 2. Oh, We have a to-do list that we have to follow. I didn't even notice that. Let's buy his wall. The water doesn't leak anymore, but the stain is still there. I'll have to clean it up. Let's buy this. I folded lots of things with colored paper. See, we're making it somewhere. We're back again. Third day. Sweet talk. It means dazzle a person with good words. Alright, let's see what this man has to say today. My life is boring. I see. I'm doing nothing but feeling tired. What should I do? I won't stop you from leaving here. Well, I know that one. Buddy, if I want to leave, I'm getting up and leaving. We have 7 hearts. And both of these can be cleaned up with 10. So that's our goal. We got to get 10 more hearts. I can't even click the thing. There. Man, we have a lot of the blue one. Let's upgrade this again. 'Cause why not? Hey, we achieved level 2. Oh, level 2 with the books. Oh, okay. Wait. He tried to pet the kitty cat and it ran away. These are our little achievements that we make along the way. Our progress. We unlocked the picture. Awkward first meeting, well begun is half done, and oh, it ran away. Let's see what our milk has to say. Milk with soft bread. Nice. Let's see what our little buddy has to say. They are dusting their surroundings. I'm sleepy. I feel like everything bothers me. I'm too lazy to clean up. I can see something out there. Man, I wish our guinea pig would shut up. We could upgrade the book again, but I want to upgrade little buddy's rug. Hey, we have 10 hearts. That means we can go downstairs. Oh. That's a ladder, right? Yeah, that's a ladder to something. I'd assume downstairs. I'd hope. To the basement we go. Where nobody shall know. We are so close to being able to upgrade the old rug. 2 more. 2 more red. We are now able to upgrade the old rug. Man. Let's go to sleep. Wait, what's this do actually? I will sleep for 6 hours. Once you choose yes, you can't wake me up while I'm sleeping. They wake up on their own. If you wake up, you'll get to read a part of my diary, then get the red and the blue things. 6 hours. Look, it's a star. Oh. We ended up getting another achievement. I'm so tired for sleeping. Today's proverb: do not put all your eggs in one basket. It means don't put everything of value in one place. That is very true. Let's see what this diary has to say. Dear diary, feeling hungry, I rummaged in my room and found leftover snacks. I didn't know the expiration date, so I just threw them away. I don't even know where they came from. Now what's our little buddy have to say? Phew. That's it? What should I do? Why? It's raining outside, and they are rubbing their hands. Who is rubbing their hands? Do you have dementia? Man, my phone is gonna die. It's gonna die. My phone is going to die, bro. Like, not even cool. He's almost level 1. There's him going to sleep. Hey, he puts a big moon in his head. Moonhead. I hope that's not, like, a slur. I hope not. If it is, I did not mean it like that. I'm so tired. See, that's the achievement we got. Well, so far, I've really enjoyed this game. Like, actually, it's very slow paced. It is. It is really slow paced. But so far, I've enjoyed it. I've definitely enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Make sure to, leave a like, maybe subscribe, help my channel out a little bit. But I hope you all really enjoyed this video. It was actually a pretty fun game, and I plan to play this more.